For higher security, we highly recommend to use the Verify option in ImageCenter. To do that, please click first on the Verify option in ImageCenter, choose your image files, go Next, and now we recommend to check every created image file directly after it's created. Now we have a verified type. By default, deep is the default setting. With the deep setting, we verify each single block in the backup file to ensure the data is fully readable. You can also choose quick. Quick means we only will generate an MD5 hash value of the image file. It's quicker, but we don't recommend it because the deep one is the more secure option, even it takes longer. At the end, you can specify if you want to inform and get an email if it's successful or failed. And you can export your setting to use it as a template to recreate your verify task for other image files.